Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can link an external bank account to your Woodforest National Bank account. To link an external bank account to your Woodforest National Bank account, just follow these steps. First, log in to your online banking. Access your Woodforest online banking account using your credentials. Then navigate to Transfer. Once logged in, go to the Transfer tab. Within the transfer section, look for an option to add external account or link external account. Provide the necessary information for the account, including bank name, routing number, account number, and account type. Verify the external account. First, may initiate a verification process, such as sending micro deposits to the external account. You will need to confirm these amounts within your Woodforest online banking to complete the linking process. The verification process can take a few business days. Monitor your external account for the micro deposits. Be aware of any transfer limits or fees associated with external transfer. Ensure that you are on the official Woodforest website or app when entering sensitive information. By linking an external account, you can easily transfer funds between your Woodforest account and accounts at their financial institutions, providing greater flexibility in managing your finances.